Good day everyone. Today I will discuss about the automotive tools and equipment. I am Jasmine D. Rodriguez from BTLE IA3A. The automotive tools have been designed to make automotive repairs, modifications, and servicing easy, making them essential for use when working on vehicles. So, yung mga tools and equipment, ini-ensure niya na each job is done with precision and safety. From basic hand tools like more advanced equipment ay napaka-importante nila para makapag-build to handle specific tasks na nakakapag-maintain sa performance ng vehicles. So, hindi lang siya nakakapag-save ng time, nakaka-reduce rin siya ng mga risk of mistakes, but also helps extend the life of the vehicle. By ensuring that repairs are done correctly and efficiently, these tools contribute to both the safety and longevity of the vehicle, making them indispensable for anyone working in the automotive industry. So next, fastening tools for loosening and tightening. A wrench set used to manually tighten or loosen nuts and bolts. So, ito yung wrench set. Ito yung ginagamit para higpitan o luwagan ang mga bolts and nuts. There are different types of wrenches, yung open end, box end, and etc. So, yung mga tools na ito are designed para makapag-provide ng versatility and access to fasteners in tight spaces. Wrench set is essential for tasks like engine repair, suspension work, and replacing components. The correct use of a wrench ensures that bolts are tightened to the proper torque specifications, preventing parts from loosening during operation. By allowing mechanics to efficiently and safely secure or remove parts, a wrench set helps maintain vehicle performance, safety, and longevity, making it an indispensable tool for anyone working on cars. So next, these are the example of wrench. So first is the oil filter wrench. Is a circular shape steel with internal tooth and handle. So ito yung oil filter wrench. An oil filter wrench is a circular shape steel tool with internal teeth. So makikita naman sa picture that grips the oil filter combined with a handle for leverage. It's specifically designed para ma-remove yung oil filters during maintenance, especially kapag mahirap siyang ilusen gamit yung kamay. Napaka-useful niya kapag yung filters are stuck dahil sa sobrang higpit o kaya naman kapag mahirap siyang abutin yung place niya. So next, open-end wrench is a tool with open end used for light application in loosening and tightening bolts and nuts. So ito yon. So, yung open-end wrench naman, it has two flat, open-ended jaws that fit around the nuts or bolts. Yung jaws niya are typically U-shaped and ginagamit siya for loosening or tightening fasteners that have hexagonal or square heads. So, alam naman siguro natin kung paano gamitin to, lalo na nakikita natin siyang ginagamit ng mekaniko. So, next. Socket wrench is a tubular-like tool with an enclosed end used for heavy application for loosening and tightening bolts and nuts. So, this is the example of socket wrench. So, it comes with a removable socket at the end that attaches to the wrench handle and comes in various sizes to accommodate different fasteners. When working on a car engine, you might need to remove a tough bolt securing the alternator. A socket wrench with the appropriate socket size would provide the necessary leverage and torque to break loose the bolt. So next, tire wrench is a cross-like or sometimes L-shaped piece of round bar used to remove the wheels of the vehicle. So ganito siya. So ito yung ginagamit pa kapag magtatanggal ng wheels sa mga vehicles. So next, screwdriver is a piece of long metal rod made of hardened steel and tempered at the tip. It is used to loosen and tighten screws. So, yan siya. Next, pliers and clamping tools. Needle nose pliers designed for handling small objects and working in tight spaces. So, dito sa image niya, it is a precision tools with long, slender jaws that taper to a fine point, making them ideal for handling small objects and working in tight spaces. So, they are commonly used in tasks such as bending wires, positioning tiny nuts and washers, and holding delicate components. So, next is the slip joint pliers. Adjustable pliers that can grip different size objects securely. So, ito siya. Next, locking pliers, vice grips, used for holding objects firmly in place, often for loosening stock components. So, commonly known by the brand name Vice Grips. So, they feature an adjustable screw mechanism that allows the user to set the desired clamping force which is then maintained until release. So, limbawa, during a brake system overhaul, yung mekaniko pwede siyang gumamit ng locking pliers to hold a brake line in place while loosening a stubborn fitting. So, masisecure yung pag-grip and ensures that the line doesn't shift or get damaged during the process. So, next, hose clamp pliers designed to remove and install hose clamps on cooling and fuel systems. So, ito siya. It is specialized tools designed para mag-remove and install hose clamps na kadalasang nakikita sa vehicle's cooling and fuel system. These pliers provide a secure grip, making it easier to compress, expand, or release clamps without damaging hoses or surrounding components. Sa automotive repair, they are essential for tasks such as replacing radiator hoses, fuel lines, and vacuum hoses. So, gamit to, it ensures a firm and controlled grip, reducing the risk of slipping and preventing potential leaks or system failures. So, next. Battery terminal puller. Prevents battery posts from being damaged when removing battery terminals. So, ito siya. So, ito yung pwedeng dahil sa sobrang tagal nang di nagagawa, yung battery terminals niya ay tightly secured, making them difficult to remove by hand. So, gamit yung battery terminal puller, it applies even pressure to safely detach the terminal without bending, cracking, or damaging the post. So, this tool is essential in automotive maintenance as it helps prevent costly battery or cable replacement due to improper removal. So next, electrical and diagnostic tools. Multimeter measures voltage, resistance, and current to test electrical circuits. So, ito yung alam naman siguro natin kung ano yung multimeter. Yan. So, yung multimeter is napaka-helpful niya sa mga mekaniko or technicians dahil ginagamit ito sa mga pag-troubleshoot electrical issues dahil dito ma-identify nila yung mga faulty wiring, blown fuses, weak batteries, or malfunctioning sensors. Nagbibigay din siya ng accurate reading and minimake sure niya yung mga parts ay functioning correctly and vehicle's performance. So, may ability din siya na ma-detect yung mga electrical problems and maintaining a vehicle's reliability and safety. So, next is test light. Checks for power and continuity in wiring and fuses. So, ito yung test light. It is a simple yet essential tool used in automotive diagnostic to check for power and continuity in wiring, fuses, and electrical components. So, meron siyang probe, light indicator, and a grounding clip, allowing mechanics to quickly determine if a circuit is live or if a fuse has blown. So, napaka-useful niya for tulad siya ng multimeter for troubleshooting electrical issues such as faulty connections, broken wires, or malfunctioning switches. So, next, OBD2 scanner connects to the vehicle's diagnostic port to retrieve fault codes from the engine control unit or the ECU. So, yan. So, tinutulungan niya yung mga mekaniko and car owners na ma-detect. It is essential for detecting problem early, preventing costly repairs, and ensuring the vehicle operates efficiently. So, with real-time data monitoring capabilities, an OBD2 scanner is a crucial tool for maintaining modern vehicles and complying with emissions standards. So, next.
No.
Engine and fluid maintenance tools. Oil filter wrench used to remove and install oil filters during oil changes. Since oil filter can become tightly sealed due to heat and pressure, this wrench provides the necessary grip and leverage to loosen or tighten them without damaging the filter or surrounding components. This tool is essential for maintaining a vehicle's engine healthy and ensuring smooth operation. So, ito siya. Next is the funnel. Helps in pouring engine oil, coolant, and other fluids without spilling. So, para siyang embudo. So, yun. Next, compression tester. Checks the compression levels in each engine cylinder to diagnose worn piston rings, bulbs, or head gasket. So, ayan, ito yung compression tester. So, using compression tester, yung mga mekaniko is madedetermine nila if yung engine is losing pressure na pwede mag-cause to poor fuel efficiency, misfires, or reduced power. Regular compression testing helps detect internal engine problem early, preventing costly repairs and extending the lifespan of the engine. So, next. specialty and general automotive tools. Pry bar helps in separating parts or removing stubborn components. So, yan. Alam naman natin siguro kung saan ginagamit tong pry bar. Hammer, ball peen, and rubber mallet. Used for shaping metal parts or securing components in place. So, ito siya. Nakikita naman natin to sa mga gumagawa sa automotive. So, next. Brake pleader kit removes air from the brake lines to ensure proper braking performance. So, yan. So, ito yung ginagamit na tool to remove air from the brake lines, ensuring proper hydraulic pressure and optimal braking performance. So, this kit allows inaalaw nyo yung mekaniko to efficiently flush out air and hold brake fluid, maintaining a firm and responsive brake pedal. So, napaka-important niya sa brake system repairs or fluid replacement to keep the braking system in top condition. So, next is the pillar gauge. Measures small gaps such as spark plug gaps and bulb clearances for precise adjustments. So, ayan, para siyang measuring tool. So, it consists a set of thin metal blades of varying thickness, which can be inserted in tight spaces to measure the gap accurately. So, it is essential for making precise adjustments in engine components to ensure optimal performance, fuel efficiency, and engine longevity. So, next. Automotive equipment and their uses. Lifting and support equipment. Hydraulic floor jack lifts a vehicle off the ground for maintenance. So, ito yung naglilift sa vehicle kapag ginagawa yung mga car. So, next is the jack stands provides stable support for a lifted vehicle to ensure safety. Yan, para ma-sure na hindi babagsak yung car kapag ginagawa ng may ginagawa yung mekaniko. So, next, engine hoist, cherry picker. So, ito yung engine hoist. So, inaalaw nyo yung mga mekaniko to safely lift and maneuver an engine out of or into the engine bay. So, essential siya kapag major repairs or replacement yung ginagawa. Tulad ng rebuilding the engine or pinapalitan nila yung mga faulty components like the transmission or exhaust system. Nagpro-provide siya ng precise control and support. So, the engine hoist helps prevent damage to the engine or surrounding vehicle parts during removal or installation. So, next, the transmission jack helps in safely removing and installing transmissions. So, ayan siya. So, nagpo-provide rin siya ng support and stability sa transmission during the removal or installation process. So, yung jack features adjustable arms or cradles to securely hold the transmission in place, ensuring it stays balanced during lifting and lowering. So, yung tool na to is essential for preventing injury, damage to the transmission, or harm to surrounding components. So, gamit yung transmission jack, it complex tasks or handling a heavy transmission, making it safer and more efficient for automotive repair and maintenance. So next, wheel and tire equipment. Tire changer machine assists in mounting and dismounting tires from wheels. So, automates the process, making it faster and more efficient compared to manual methods. So, itong machine na to, it consists of rotating turntable, a bead breaker, and tire irons, which work together para safe na ma-remove yung old tires and install new ones. So, napaka-essential niya sa mga shop or automotive repair kasi they handle the heavy lifting, reduce the risk of damaging the tire or wheel, and ensure that tires are properly seated and balanced. So next, wheel balancer ensures that the tire weight is evenly distributed to prevent vibrations. So, ito siya. Kapag kasi yung gulong ay di-balance, it can cause uneven tire wear, increase road noise, and strain on the suspension system. So, yung wheel balancer, nadidetect niya yung mga imbalances by spinning the wheel and measuring the distribution of weight. Then, provide precise measurement to guide the placement of balancing weights. So, yung tool nito is essential for achieving smooth driving, enhancing tire longevity, and improving overall vehicle performance. So, next, alignment machine adjusts wheel alignment angles for better vehicle handling and tire wear. So, ito siya. Next, electrical and battery equipment. Battery charger recharges a vehicle's battery to restore power. So, yan. So, nire-restore niya yung power para ma-ensure na yung vehicle is mag-start and operates efficiently. Pwedeng dahil sa sobrang tanda na nung car, yung battery mawawalan na o kaya naman kapag na-stuck siya. So, a battery charger connects to the battery terminals and uses electrical current to replenish the charge, helping avoid a dead battery. So, this tool is especially useful in situations where a battery is completely drained or when maintaining a battery during storage. So, it helps the vehicle performance, prevent unexpected breakdowns, and extend the life of the battery. So, next, portable jump starter provides an emergency power boost to start a vehicle with dead battery. So, yan siya. So, it typically consists of a high-capacity battery, jumper cables, and safety features to ensure safe and easy use. So, by connecting the jump starter to the vehicle's battery, it supplies the necessary power to start the engine without the need for a second vehicle. This tool is invaluable in emergencies, offering a quick solution to getting a car back on the road without waiting for roadside assistance. So, napaka-useful niya for drivers who often find themselves in remote areas or situations where help is not immediately available. So, next. Brake and suspension equipment. Brake latte resurfaces brake rotors and drums for smooth braking. So, ito yan siya. Next is the grease gun. lubricates suspension and steering components to reduce wear. Yan. So next is the engine and cooling system equipment. Coolant flush machine removes old coolant and replaces it with fresh coolant. Over time, coolant can become dirty or lose its effectiveness, leading to poor engine temperature regulation and potential overheating. So, yung coolant machine, it connects to the vehicle's radiator or cooling system, forcing out the old coolant while simultaneously filling the system with new coolant. So, it maintains the engine's cooling efficiency, prevents corrosion in the radiator. So, next is the exhaust gas analyzer. Measures vehicle emissions to ensure they meet environmental regulations. So, yan siya. Yung mga mekaniko is ma-identify nila yung potential engine problems such as incomplete combustion or malfunctioning catalytic converter. So, ini-ensure niya yung vehicle's emissions are within legal limits is crucial for passing emissions tests and reducing the environmental impacts of pollutants. So, the exhaust gas analyzers, ini-help niya to maintain vehicle efficiency, promotes cleaner air, and ensures compliance with environmental regulation. So, next. Radiator pressure tester checks for leaks in the cooling system by pressuring the radiator and observing pressure loss. So, yan siya. It works by pressuring the radiator and the associated hoses. Yan, makikita sa picture. Allowing the technician to observe any pressure loss, which indicates potential leaks or weak points in the system. So, kapag na-detect natin yung mga leaks ng maaga, the pressure tester helps prevent coolant loss, engine overheating, and further damage to the radiator, hoses, and water pump. So, it is essential para sa integrity of the cooling system, maintaining proper engine temperature regulation, and avoiding costly repairs. Dahil nga sa mga undetected leaks or system failures. So, next. Air and pneumatic equipment. So, air compressor supplies compressed air to power tools and inflate tires. So, ganyan siya. It works by converting electrical or engine power into compressed air, which is stored in a tank and then released as needed. So, yung tool na to is essential in automotive repair shops where it is used to operate tools like impact wrenches, air ratchets, and pneumatic drills, making tasks such as tire changes, brake work, and engine repairs more efficiently. So next, impact wrench uses compressed air to quickly loosen or tighten bolt. So ginagamit rin siya para higpitin or luwagin yung mga bolts. So next, general garage equipment. Workbench with vise provides a stable surface for working on automotive parts. So, ito, yun yung workbench with vise. So, nakikita naman natin to sa San Isidro. So, yung naka-integrate na vise clamps objects securely in place, allowing mechanics to work with both hands-free and applies force without worrying about parts slipping or moving. So, yung ito yung for safety, precision, efficiency during repairs, making it indispensable tool for any workshop or garage. So next, work light enhances visibility in dimly lit work area. So ito yung kapag nagtatrabaho ka, mas nakikita mo ng maayos. So next, air conditioning and refrigeration equipment. AC recovery machine extracts old refrigerant and refills the system with new refrigerant. So yan siya. So yung machine na to, ini-help niya yung para ma-ensure that the system is properly recharged, maintaining the efficiency and cooling performance of the AC. It works by the first removing the old used refrigerant, then evacuating air and moisture from the system to prevent contamination. So, it works by first removing the old, yun nga, yung refrigerant. So, once the system is cleaned, the machine refills the system with the correct amount and type of refrigerant. So, it is essential for maintaining optimal air conditioning performances and ensuring that the system complies with environmental regulations regarding refrigerant disposal. So, lastly is the safety equipment. Napaka-importante nito kapag nagtatrabaho yung fire extinguishers. So, dapat hindi nawawala to. Essential for dealing with accidental fires in workshop. So, kapag may biglang sumabog or sunog, so may emergency tool na gagamitin para di lumamala. So, yun lang po. Thank you for listening.
Oh, yeah.